We're looking at Stewart Mountain Dam on Saguaro Lake from the downstream side. Today is Wednesday, September 29th. Tina and I are launching from Saguaro Lake Ranch. And this is a site we don't usually get to see.
So it's all rushing in there from the dam, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Well, if you're energetic, you always paddle upstream.
Oh, yeah. Well, whatever you want to do, Ed, I'll follow you.
Nah.
You can see what it's doing.
Yeah. Try to get another view here. Alrighty. This is where the rental kayaks launch. I guess we were supposed to have come down the little steep path there, which would have been a little bit harder. Looking towards the gold-filled mountains here. We have a horse stable coming up here on the right. Cruising past the palm trees on the lower Salt River, which we rarely get to see when we put in at water users. Well, never get to see actually. Sure which is going to be the deepest. Yeah.
That might have been fun to go through, Ed.
Which?
That little skinny thing right there.
Oh, yeah.
Like a skinny little road. What kind of bird is that?
I think a cormorant. Cormorant, C-O-R-M-O-R-A-N-D.
He's like stunning himself.
Yeah. Yeah, we saw one a couple weeks ago with their wings spread up in a tree to try to dry them out. Well, don't see the horse there today. That's where he's been hanging out.
Of course, the last time we did this, it was twice the water.
Well, about a third more. Well, it's about 800 versus 600. So.
Oh, it'll be bumpier, huh?
Not really. It's still high enough flow that should miss most rocks. Just a little shallow here at the beginning. Look for the downstream V. I guess it is bumpier. Upstream V's mark a rock. Whoa.
I think I found all the rocks then.
Yeah, well, at least one of those I had enough warning to get around it, but yeah, seemed like at 600 they're pretty much covered over, but I guess you do have to look out a little bit. But yeah, the upstream V's point at a rock, downstream V's point a cleared channel between the rocks.
All right, say that one more time.
Upstream V's,
So if it's like
there's a rock right there that's forming that V pointing towards you.
okay.
So you want to avoid that.
It does.
If you see a downstream V, that's a clear path between two rocks. So
Okay, yeah, I'll look for that next time. That makes sense.
yeah.
Stay away from the upstream.
Yeah, the only problem is sometimes at the bottom of a downstream V is an upstream V. So you go down and get ready to maneuver around that. And here's our shallow spot. Getting your draw stroke down.
It's good to be behind you.
Oh.